Welcome to the ultimate lazy beginner's guide to making $100 plus online anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra cash, this video will show you the easiest way to make money online. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. No experience or qualifications required. You can do this from the comfort of your own home or even while traveling. The secret to making money online is by completing paid surveys. Companies are constantly looking for feedback and they're willing to pay people like you for it. All you need to do is sign up for a survey website, complete surveys, and get paid. It's as simple as that. Some survey websites pay up to $5 per survey completed, and you can complete multiple surveys per day. That's $100 plus per day easily. It may not sound like a lot, but it's a passive income stream that can add up over time. Don't worry about scams. We have researched the best survey websites for you. Just check out the links in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more easy money making tips.